Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. In this class, we'll discuss linear in variables, linear in parameters, and linear regression model. First, we'll discuss linear in variables. When a variable appears with power of 1 in the function, it is called linear in variables function. This is regression model shows the relationship between dependent and independent variable. Here two variables y and x and two parameters beta 1 and beta 2. Variable appears with power 1. So it is called linear in the variables. In this function, variable appears with power 2. So this is called non-linear in the variables because variable appears with power more than 1. Linear in parameters. When the parameters appears with power of 1 in the function, it is called linear in parameters. In this regression model, beta 1, beta 2 parameters appears with power 1. But variables appear with power more than 1. So it is called non-linear in variables and linear in parameters. Now we'll discuss linear regression model. Model is linear regression model when parameters are linear in this model. Variables in this model may or may not be linear. Linearity in regression model does not depend on linearity in variables, it only depends on parameters. When parameters linear, it is called linear regression model. In this regression function, parameters are linear but variables non-linear. We know that linearity in regression model does not depend on variables. It only depends on parameters. So in this function, parameters linear, so this is called linear regression model. In this function, parameters non-linear but variables linear. So it is called non-linear regression model because parameters non-linear